Hi guys, today we're gonna do an unboxing video with Gabriel. We both have boxes this time. It's not just him.
Boxes.
I actually tried. We killed a bunch of llamas.
Like this?
We killed like 100 llamas. So yeah, I think they're classified as endangered now, but hey, we got boxes.
Yeah, we got boxes. Boxes! Alright, let me grab one.
And we also have some special silver boxes sprinkled in. That means they're from real people, not llamas.
I love these things.
Oh! What have you done?
Oh.
Yo, two. Look at this.
Look at this. Ah! Ah!
It didn't do anything. What? Okay, my turn.
All right.
Hey, look what this rocket can do. Ow! My head! Ow! Oh, I just banged my head.
Look what this pipe can do.
Stop!
I'm gonna put this on 2 times speed.
Oh!
Stop eating me. Stop.
He's dead. He's dead now.
Yo, mama dead. I was faking it, yo. Oh! Stop. Okay, you're not getting my boxes.
Why I got
I'm kicking
my
you
own
out.
boxes.
I'm kicking you out of the house. If you don't behave. Okay, next box.
Is that a welcome home gift? Thank you.
Okay.
Open yours first because it's special. Okay, we gotta open the. Oh! Oh!
Yeah, this box is from the Meerkat Association. Their goal is to protect meerkats.
Like you. Okay.
No, I'm just a cat. A gun!
Oh, that's so cool.
Ah!
Gun now. So
Next
nice.
next one is this one. This is big. This is a big one.
Yeah. Nick!
What did you just say?
Lipstick.
Oh, it cut out the lip part and you said something else. Okay,
Stick.
sure, you can have it. No, without the S.
Lip. Tick. Tick.
I have a tick in my right butt cheek.
What? Crowbar.
Crowbar.
What's that for?
Let's put it on my pizza. You ever tried pizza crowbar? I mean crowbar pizza. It's pizza with a crowbar in it.
Oh, look how cool this is.
Look how cool this is.
Oh, 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 oh.
This is what you get. This is what you get. Good boy. Okay, next one.
It's what you get.
No, you didn't do. Well, you see this box? Oh,
Two.
give me
in a
one. Give me
row.
one. Let me open one.
Here.
Yo, this is so. Oh, that tastes so good.
I'm gonna mash this against your head.
Ooh, these were donated by the Mario Brothers. So let's open it. What?
Oh, whoa, that's so cool. My lipstick! Hey! Big boy!
Yo.
Big boy box!
No.
This is special. This is. Doesn't do anything. Ah!
Okay, open
This
it.
is
This is
special.
from
This is by the
Queso.
government.
That's why it's so big.
Alright.
Nut Shredder! No! Not my crowbar pizza! You ruined the special ingredient! No!
Now I'm gonna mash your face in.
Oh no! Stop shredding me! I'm a human being!
No, you're a cat.
Well, I'm opening a box without you. Yo, I got something pretty cool. Look at this.
Oh! That's pretty nice. Ah!
Wait, let's open one over here.
Why?
Look,
Big boy.
let's see what this is.
Ooh.
More ammo. Woo! Silver crate.
Ooh.
Wait. Look, it's shiny. You can see stuff in it.
Wait, let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see who it's from. Let me see who it's from. Let me see it. Ooh, it's from Kitty Corp this time.
Kitty Corp. I used to
I'm gonna
work
match
out
this
there, but
against
they
you.
fired me for public nudity.
What? Look. Ammo.
Why do you keep getting so much popcorn? Oh, this one was sent by
Why is it stuck?
This one was sent by the Jack Black.
Wait.
Ammo!
Popcorn. It's popcorn. I know. Why is it stuck?
Yo, big boy! Bro!
What's popcorn?
Okay, let's go up here now.
Okay.
Oh wait. No! Why do we have so many pipes? Chocola, 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 chocola.
Stop saying chocola.
Chocola.
Stop
This is
saying
my
chocola.
dance. This is my native dance for the school play.
I'm gonna hit
Something-
this against your head.
You missed. I'm gonna hit this
No,
against
what?
your head.
Ah! Two boys.
Are there so many arrows in your head? It's unbelievable.
Wait, who's it from? Kitty Corp again.
What?
No. God.
Oh, pipe!
All right,
I love pipes!
I love pickaxes.
Oh wait, you got a pickaxe from it. I thought we got a pipe. Okay. Yeah. At Kitty Corp, I yearn for the mines, you could say. Boom!
Boom. What's this boom do? Ow! Ow!
Okay, next up. Yo! This is
about Kitty
from
Corp?
Thomas Jefferson. He time traveled so he could deliver this to us. Yo! Gummy worm! Let's go eat this.
Yeah, let's go
Oh, wait,
eat it.
no, let's eat it up here. That'll be safer. Here.
It's safer. What's that supposed to mean? Oh. Oh, I love the. I
You're a
love
unicorn.
this. I'm a unicorn. No.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I want the leg in my body.
Okay. Just kidding.
Not happening. No, please. Please. Please make them.
Next box.
Hang on, wait for me.
Not happening, buddy.
Let me in. Open the door.
No.
Open the door. Ugh. Okay, next one. More popcorn.
Popcorn!
Yay. Yo, this one's
Boom.
this one was sent by Skibbity Toilet, the founder of Skibbity Toilet. Oh, yo, we got another gummy
Hot
worm.
dog. It's a hot dog.
No, it's a gummy worm. It's a gummy worm
hot-
flavored hot dog. Hey, my hot
Alright.
dog! Why did... Bro! My hot dog combusted! My hot dog combusted! What What is this creature? What's this delivered from? What? What? What is it?
Bro.
What is it?
It's this one's by Wait, let me check. This one's by Jacksepticeye. I hate that dude.
Bro, he said the FNAF movie was bad. Oh, this one's from
Wait, be quiet for a second. Jacksepticeye. I am rapidly approaching your location. So I would very suggest you to hide. Ah! Okay.
Oh, this
Open it.
This was sent from MatPat. He sent us this because he's gonna jump off a bridge.
That makes sense. Go buy pizza.
Next one. Oh, this is another. This one was sent by Queso also.
Of course, it's popcorn.
Okay, this one was sent by somebody. I don't know.
Oh, that's pretty cool. What's it do? What the? I have two of them already.
Mega goo goo ga gali ga goo 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 ga goo goo ga gali ga goo 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 ga.
What's it do? What's it do, bro?
Racist. Oh.
Ow!
Makes you gay.
Just hit it, and I'll put it in 2 times speed.
Now I'll put it in 2 times speed. Oh. That's enough, boy. We're all out.
I'm not. Ah! There's another one. Hey, give me a big boy one.
That's it. Bro, I could have put that in the shotgun, and I could have shot you like 20 times, but you shredded the darn thing.
There is no more crowbar pizza because you opened my big boy. No more. No more crowbar pizza.
Wait, let's open the box in the river. By the river.
Okay.
Let's open it by the river.
Okay.
Yo.
Boom, 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 boom. Oh, that's pretty cool. No trespassing. Said no trespassing. Hey.
Okay.
No trespassing.
Ooh.
No.
Ooh.
Don't touch it.